April 18, 2011, the American Samoa School of Culinary Arts opened with Chef La'autuvanu in the forefront. The American Samoa School of Culinary Arts is funded by the National Emergency Grant (NEG) program in partnership with the Department of Human Resources Workforce Investment Act (WHEEL). On August 8, 2011, individuals associated with this program gave us a little bit of insight on their experiences and how they became involved in the culinary school.
Well, they called me if I'm interested for the program, and I said, yeah, I'm interested.
Mafuanga na layon o mawaina nei o onga o fau o nei aso. Ona ole por kalama le NEG o te whaftai e foila ile ofisa le NEG le pule e mai so lato ofisa malu. Ona ole nei ava noa mata mo fia sa lato tuina mai mo au. E mwhai ona o wai tono nei o onga tau kuka.
I found out it's good and a lot experience.
Ole por kalame al malo le NEG. Dewa mawhai ona o fale mai por kalame le culinary school.
Oh, I'm so happy at culinary school because there's many things I want to know.
The school teaches entry-level culinary arts. It is a 4-month program in which the students must complete 3 sections. They begin with karmache, meaning keeper of the cold food, where the students learn about cold food preparation. They learn how to prepare anything from salad dressing, cold sandwiches, garnishes, and cannabis. After learning everything in the karmache area, they move into the baking area and then the hot productions.
Those are the 3 areas in which they learn. And then, like, for example, in the baking, they will learn how to do yeast bread. So yeast breads will comprise of 100% whole wheat bread, white pan bread, French bread, and then of course Italian bread.
The school started off with 30 students, but as the months progressed, 2 fell away and only 28 students remained.
One student already found a job, and so one student couldn't attend no more because of family matters. So that's a pretty good first group, especially when you only lost 2 students. Basically, we only really lost 1 because 1 got a job, which is our goal, is to get people jobs.
The American Samoa School of Culinary Arts graduated 28 students in their first segment. A few of the graduates shared their experiences with us.
My experience is good and I learned a lot experience about baking side, health protection and cold food.
Ulea o onga o whapena o maua mai te tono nea o ngā talo na o awai mai ei. O tele mea o ngā o mawai, o iloa ai kuka me ai ese whai sosi ese. Ia me se foi o mo meo o sālaki leta ue tātou o sālaki sua malie, po whai ngā o siei whala au marulu.
My experience over here is I really like to cook the cookie and donuts and apple pie.
Mana ia por kalame. Ia ana o le fale foi por kalame le leo te whaafetai atu ai I lea foi por kalame ia maleava noa o mwhaina o moa. Ia wa tele ai ni ia o onga tau o moa I loo o langa ia tina ai ia loo ainga. Ia su e sa unga luenga. Ia me sea ia ngaluenga le atua.
This is a good experience, especially right now. You know, the budget in our family is so, you know, affected with what's going on. But this, I encourage other people to do this because, hey, you can learn your own, doing your own cake, cater, all that kind of stuff. In that way, you don't have to spend money, you know, to hire somebody to come and do your cater. But getting into this kind of business or field, it's saving you a lot of money. And especially because I was like doing all other stuff. But when you figured it out, being a lawyer, being a doctor, being whatever field, they all ended up what? Eating, hungry.
Majority of the students have already established the work field that they would like to be involved in. Others have set their own personal goals for the future.
I'm going to plan to go to work at school lunch program.
O le whamomuenga fo i lo nei tangata e tusai o nei au o ngawa o maua. O le awalu e te tala fo i lo uto mai ma le iloa. E awa fo i le fisosoani atu fo i le ngata i whanau. Ia o nisi fo i o uso o lo mana o mia fo i se fisosoani i fia malama fo i le whainga o lea kuka ma falao ma baking. Ia me se fo i lo whainga o sāraki.
I'm planning to go teacher for the home economic and school lunch program.
O lau whamoemoenga ma lau whanaunanga le iai. So mai le wai o maua. O te fia mana o e whaasoa atu ni stina pe o au. Ia ai mese anga luenga le ma te ngā lulue ai. O te mana o e whaasoa le malama tau kuka. Ia ma le dressing o salads ese. Ia e o fo i le kau ina o keke ma falawa me whapena. Kuka ese.
Actually, right now I'm running my own small cake cater at the house because I cannot afford to pay a rent. So that's my goal. I'm trying to further my education. This was not my field. But then when I joined the school, it was like pushing me. You know, it's like because I enjoy what I do, you know, like do cake and all that kind of stuff, pastry and stuff like that.
The school is looking to fully develop itself in the years to come. Chef Sualua aspires to add a new curriculum to the program that will include evening programs for the working public that wish to learn more about professional cooking. In addition to adding a new curriculum to the school, there is hope for a possible integration of the program with the college.
Well, you know, it's good to integrate with the college, but, you know, the college also has their hands full with all the different programs they have. So it'd be good if we can just continue to do what we do and to continue to be good at it. And when that time ever does happen, or if it happens, you know, we'll be ready to make that transition a lot smoother. Yeah.
Head Chef Sualua's long-term vision for this school is to make it a 2-year program, get it fully accredited so that the future students may actually get a college degree in culinary arts. This means that future students will be advanced enough where they can take on a chef's position at restaurants with a degree in hand.
Our short-range goal is, of course, to take what we have and make it better. You know, to start teaching intermediate, start teaching advanced culinary arts. And so as we progress, we progress. I like to make this American Samoa a place where people in the South Pacific, doesn't matter from which island, that wants to learn culinary arts, they will not pass American Samoa up. So when it comes to, hey, where can I go to study culinary arts? You know, American Samoa should definitely be on the top 10 of that list.
It's always amazing to see the changes and development in our island each year. Become part of the change by taking a hold of these new opportunities. For a chance to become involved with the American Samoa School of Culinary Arts, contact the Department of Human Resources to register. I am Sissy Unutoa reporting for Nuanua Communications. Thank you for joining us.